So as a quick fix, I just created a repository here. I'm going to share the link with you after this video. So this contains the Sensible project, but it works. I fixed the problem, and yeah, instead of using the CLI, it's probably easier just to clone this one for now, because I'm actually creating a new version for Sensible anyway, so it's a waste of time for me to try to fix the first version now. Anyway, if you want to get started, you just go to this repository, and then you open your VS Code, and you git clone that repository somewhere where you want to do that. Then you go there, you open VS Code in that folder again, and then you can get started. So once you clone that, and of course you need to have Yarn installed, you need to have Node installed, and you need to have VS Code and everything, and Git. But once you do that, you just run Yarn in the main folder that you just cloned from Git, and then it will install everything. This might take a couple minutes depending on how fast your computer is. For me, it takes about 1 to 2 minutes. So yeah, after you install that, there's 3 things that you need to do in order to run the whole full stack app. You need to run the core, you need to run the server, and you need to run the website. Okay? So let's wait until this finishes installing all the dependencies. And in the meantime, I can already go there. So I open the folder packages, core. I run yarn dev there. Once this is done installing, I can also go to the folder apps server, and I can run yarn dev there. And I can go to the folder apps web, and I can run yarn dev there. So let's do that. First core, it's compiling, and it's watching changes because I run yarn dev. And then the server, it's going to compile it, and it's going to watch. So whenever I make a change, it will immediately be up to date. And then web. So then all is running. As you can see, this is running on 4000. This is running on 3000. And now I should be able to see the demo. So let's have a look, and there you go. There you see the demo. So as you can see here, this is the React with Native Sensible demo that I made like a couple months back, and now it's completely functional again, front to back. So this is just a couple of demo pages where you can actually click this button to see the code, and then you will go to the demo or repository of React with Native or Sensible, I don't know. But the idea is that this is already a completely full stack app. So for example, I can just create a to-do here. And actually the first time it's gonna take a while because it's generating the schema. But depending on how fast your computer is, it doesn't take too long. It's kind of calculating what you have inside of your server and your core, so that it can generate a thing for you, a documentation. So as you can see here, it created the to-do, so that worked. So now I should be able to find it here, to-dos. Yes, so I made this one also just now, and then I made this one, so it works. You can also find some other information here in the database already. The database is also in the repository. I was working on this with another student, so that's why there's already some users here. So yeah, that's it. In another video I will probably demonstrate a bit more about how this all hangs together. But like I already explained in the course before, there's the core, there's the UI, there's the web, and there's the server. You can probably just have a look in the code yourself and see if you get it running and see if you can understand everything. Alright, thank you, good luck, and see you next week.